Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Cherry Moreno Roquiro, 45 years old. I am married and I have two children, aged 23 years old and 7 years old. My husband works as a driver and I have six siblings, three brothers and three sisters. I am the third in our family. I am undergraduate of Bachelor's of Science and Management Accounting. I am able to work and do my duties and responsibilities that suited my skills, talents, and work experience. I have experience to taking care of kids when I was in Arabs country, United Arabs Emirates. My main duties and responsibilities to them are preparing foods every day, feeding them, giving vitamins on time, sending to school and picking up, bathing them, tutoring them, and sometimes play with them. I have also I treat them as my own kids. I have also experienced to taking care elderly care when I was in Hong Kong and Taiwan. My main duties and responsibilities to them preparing foods every day, cook healthy vegetarian foods, and assisting them also to take bathing and everyday walking for exercising, and then assess them to their medication and preparing foods every day. Also, my duties light cleaning such as vacuuming, ironing, washing the clothes, and wiping furnitures. I am honest and cheerful, helpful person, and I can work under pressure. I am willing to learn and follow employer's instructions, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract or more as long as my employers need me. Hoping for your positive feedback. Thank you and God bless.